Here are the top 10 SUVs dominating the road in 2026. Number 10, Volkswagen T-Roc 2026. The Volkswagen T-Roc 2026 is built on the MQB Evo platform, aligning its underpinnings with models like the facelifted. The new T-Roc measures 4,373 millimeters long, an extra 122 millimeters, and features a 2,631 millimeter wheelbase, up 28 millimeters. Sporty touches include up to 20-inch wheels, available in R-Line trims, cabin upgraded with higher quality materials, including recycled fabric on the dashboard and soft-touch surfaces. Infotainment options include 10.4-inch or 12.9-inch touchscreens, plus an optional 13-inch screen in premium trims. Advanced convenience: 14-way electrically adjustable ergo-active seats with massage function. New safety systems like Travel Assist, including automatic lane change, Park Assist Pro, memory parking and smartphone control, and exit warning are part of the package. Official debut happened ahead of the IAA Mobility Show. Public reveal anticipated by August 27, 2025. Number 9. Toyota Highlander 2026. Redesigned with a wider stance, lower roofline, and more sculpted body lines, the 2026 Highlander presents a sportier silhouette with an aggressive grille and sleek LED headlights. Turbo 2.4-liter inline-4, approximately 265 horsepower, 310 pound-feet. Approximately 243 horsepower, excellent fuel economy. PHEV option combines 2.5-liter engine with electric motors and 18.1 kilowatt-hour battery, offers approximately 40 miles all-electric and approximately 85 miles per gallon equivalent. Fuel efficiency: gas versions get approximately 22 to 23 city, 28 to 29 highway mpg. Hybrids significantly more efficient. Trims offered: XLE, XSE, Limited, and Platinum. The base LE trim is discontinued. Front-wheel drive has been eliminated. AWD is now standard on all trims. Pricing: starting around $46,765 for the XLE AWD, up to approximately $41,815 in 2025, topping around $54,420 for gas Platinum. Hybrid trims start around $48,515 and go up to $56,170. Expected to hit dealerships in late 2025, with production starting Q2 2025. Number 8. Toyota Corolla Cross. Toyota introduces two distinct front fascia designs. The hybrid variant now features a color-matched grille, giving it a modern, cohesive look. The gas-powered version receives a more rugged grille with a bold, pronounced style. A fresh cavalry blue exterior color debuts for 2026, available on select trims. Hybrid SE and XSE can opt for a striking two-tone scheme with a jet black roof. A 10.5-inch touchscreen is now available on higher trims, replacing the older 8-inch unit. Interiors get elevated comfort with Softex trademark trimmed seats, mixed media options on XSE, Portobello interior color on XLE, and features like dual-zone climate control, power adjust seats, and power moonroof. Technology amenities include Qi wireless charging on mid to top grades, JBL premium audio on XSE, and multiple USB-C ports front and rear. Hybrid models S, SE, XSE come standard with AWD and deliver 196 combined horsepower, with fuel economy estimated at 42 mpg combined. Gasoline versions offer a 2.0-liter engine generating 169 horsepower, available in FWD or AWD, with an estimated 32 miles per gallon combined. Trim lineup: gas, LLE, XLE, FWD or AWD. Hybrid: S, SE, XSE, AWD only. Pricing details for the 2026 model haven't been confirmed but are expected closer to launch. For reference, the 2025 Corolla Cross started near $25,485 for the base L trim. Production takes place in Huntsville, Alabama, serving the U.S. market. Number 7. Honda CR-V. Here's a look at the upcoming 2026 Honda CR-V, including exterior design refreshes, the off-the-road Trail Sport variant, and updated cabin visuals. What's new for the 2026 Honda CR-V? Facelift and Trail Sport variant. Honda is issuing a mid-cycle refresh for the 2026 CR-V, which includes minor exterior updates, front and rear, and a refreshed cabin design. The current powertrains are expected to carry over. OA turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder, around 190 horsepower. OA hybrid setup producing approximately 204 horsepower. AWD will remain optional for most trims, but standard on the hybrid Trail Sport and Sport Touring variants. New enhanced traction management activates at low speeds, less than 9 miles per hour on AWD models, improving grip in challenging conditions. U.S. pricing of different variants start from $30,920 up to $42,950. The 2026 CR-V offers a familiar yet refined package, maintaining proven engines and adding fresh styling and cabin enhancements. The standout is undoubtedly the Trail Sport. Hybrid AWD, which introduces genuine off-road capability to the CR-V lineup. Number 6. Ford Explorer 2026. Production for the 2026 Explorer starts in December 2025 with initial deliveries. Expected by early 2026, beginning with core trims like XLT, ST Line, and Platinum. The Tremor trim is already on sale, and deliveries are projected for late 2025. According to Kelley Blue Book, active starts at $40,025. ST Line, $46,715. Tremor, $50,025. Platinum, $52,525. ST Top Trim, $56,465. Powertrain and performance. Base engine, 2.3-liter EcoBoost, turbocharged four-cylinder delivering 300 horsepower and 310 pound-feet via a 10-speed automatic with RWD standard and AWD optional. Upgraded option, twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 offering 400 horsepower and 415 pound-feet. AWD standard on ST and higher trims. Towing capacity, up to around 5,000 pounds. Design updates. Exterior tweaks include a wider grille, integrated LED daytime running lights, reshaped rear fascia, and new tail lamps. Interior and tech enhancements. Features a standard 13.2-inch infotainment touchscreen with the Google-based Ford digital experience and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Google Assistant, and Alexa. The Tremor interior includes embroidered seats, faux suede, rubber mats, and gold stitching. Other available features: 360-degree camera system, massaging front seats, 14-speaker Bang, and Olufsen sound, ambient lighting, and over-the-air software updates. Number 5 BMW X7 2026. Here is the visual of the 2026 BMW X7, showcasing various trims like the xDrive 40i, M60i, and Alpina XB7, highlighting its bold design and luxurious presence. Release timeline. The 2026 X7 is expected to arrive at dealerships in late 2025, with pre-and orders opening in summer 2025. Pricing, starting at approximately $87,875 for the base xDrive 40i. The high-performance X7 M60i starts around $111,900, while the ultra-luxurious Alpina XB7 may go up to $157,175. xDrive 40i, 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six plus mild hybrid, producing 375 horsepower, estimated 0 to 60 miles per hour, in about 5.6 seconds. M60i twin-turbo V8, delivering around 523 horsepower, sharper performance. At approximately 4.5 seconds 0 to 60 miles per hour. Alpina XB7, a V8-based model tuned by Alpina, offering up to 631 horsepower. Other details: all models use an 8-speed automatic, xDrive AWD, and offer towing capacity up to 7,500 pounds. Fuel economy: estimated MPG, awaiting EPA confirmation. OV8 models, 16 city, 21 highway, 18 combined. Comfort and convenience: advanced driver assist, parking assistance, professional with self-parking, and 360-degree camera, blind spot monitoring, lane departure and collision warning, plus optional hands-free driving under 86 miles per hour. Number 4. Kia Sportage 2026. Hybrid, HEV. 1.6-liter turbo GDI engine with a 47.7 kilowatt electric motor, producing approximately 231 horsepower, a slight bump from the previous model. Plug-in hybrid, PHEV. Same engine plus a stronger 72 kilowatt motor, delivering approximately 268 horsepower. HEV variants now include 2 new trims. S Hybrid adds mid-level comfort features like heated seats, USB-C ports, and safety assists. X-Line Hybrid steps up with a panoramic sunroof, wireless charging, smart liftgate, and rugged styling. The X-Pro Prestige Ice trim offers off-road gear. All-terrain tires, enhanced AWD with terrain mode, snow/mud/sand, and heated wiper components. Automatic emergency braking with pedestrian, cyclist, and vehicle detection. Enhanced Highway Driving Assist 2, HDA2, with steering support for lane changes. Hands-on detection HOD to ensure driver engagement. Release date and pricing. Unveiled at the LA Auto Show in November 2024, expected to hit showrooms in Q2 2025. Starting MSRP for the US ICE LX FWD model begins at $28,690, excluding $1,445 destination. The hybrid model starts higher, approximately $31,735, offering strong value against rivals like the Hyundai Tucson and Honda CR-V hybrids. Number 3, Honda HR-V 2026, a bigger infotainment screen. Lower trims now get a 9-inch touchscreen up from 7-inch in 2025. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard. Wireless phone charging is also standard. All trims get rear privacy glass now. Some cosmetic tweaks: new paint colors, solar reflection metallic, boost blue pearl, updated wheels, revised badging on sport trim, updated lighting details, etc. 2.0-liter 4-cylinder, naturally aspirated engine, approximately 158 horsepower at approximately 6,500 revolutions per minute, approximately 138 pound-feet torque at approximately 4,200 revolutions per minute power and torque. CVT, continuously variable transmission. Front-wheel drive, standard. Real-time AWD, available on higher trims, transmission. U.S. prices for 2026 HR-V, including destination, by trim. LX FWD starts around $26,200 US. Sport trim costs more, and AWD adds an extra approximately $1,500. EXL, the top trim, is priced at roughly $31,445 US. Number 2, Mazda CX-5 2026. Mazda has introduced a new design philosophy called wearable gear for the CX-5. It keeps the familiar silhouette but updates the styling to be more modern and rugged. Exterior changes: wider grille, signature wing, sharper LED headlamps and taillights, squared wheel arches, more sculpted cladding. Also, the rear now uses bold Mazda lettering across the tailgate instead of the old badge. The cabin is more spacious, more rear legroom, headroom, bigger rear doors for easier entrance-exit. At launch, the 2026 CX-5 is using a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated Skyactiv G four-cylinder engine, producing about 187 horsepower and 185 to 186 pound-feet torque, depending on market. It's paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive in many markets. Hybrid powertrain, the Skyactiv ZEED, Mazda's developed hybrid system, is coming later, likely 2027, to boost fuel efficiency and offering more options. Updated Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADAS, likely more features standard or improved compared to previous versions. Mazda tends to include high safety when redesigning. Launched in 2025 for model year 2026 in several markets, USA, Europe, etc. Hybrid version expected 2027. Number 1, Volvo XC90 2026. The 2026 XC90 continues Volvo's reputation for combining luxury, safety, and comfort in a large 3-row SUV. It offers updated interiors, new infotainment, hardware or software, including a bigger, more responsive screen, updated UI, etc. Seats, up to 6 or 7. Configurations differ by trim, seating layout. B5, more efficient, especially for larger SUV with mild hybrid assistance. In the US, combined miles per gallon for B5 is about 26 miles per gallon, depending on driving conditions. B6, lower MPG due to more power and supercharging, somewhere around 20 to 26 MPG combined, depending on highway/city mix. T8 PHEV. When battery charged, electric-only range is approximately 33 miles, approximately 53 kilometers, under U.S. conditions. MPGe ratings high. When battery depleted acts more like a hybrid. Infotainment, a large touchscreen, approximately 11.2 inches in portrait orientation, with updated software, Google-based in many markets. Base trims, B5, start around $61,050 for the core 4-door AWD version. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for watching more informative videos.